Today we're going to review a kit for dent removal, and this is the user manual, how to use all the stuff, whatever it's going to be here. And well, this is all included in one package. And let's start from fiberglass. It's really nice material, and you're also going to receive this board so you can see the better dents, and you're going to receive a nice baggie that you can store everything inside this bag. So you're going to receive this little stuff, suction caps. You're also going to receive a gun for dents to remove it, and this is the glue. It's a nice hammer as well. This is the clamp for as well removing the dents. This is the part where you can remove your quarters, and bottle for spraying. This is another set for glue for the other part of this glue for attachments, and these attachments you just like that. And I like that this is the hammer, so whenever you pull so let's demonstrate on one of my vehicles and see how it's going to be working. So we do have over here dent, and let's try use this part and glue gun to see if we can try remove it. Now it's connected. We're gonna use this tool, and basically you attach it just like that, and just push it over this side, and you should pop that. Or you can do like that if you have dent, and by slowly pressing pop a little bit better. So after a while, now it looks much better, and I don't have a dent there. It's not super professional, but it's much better than it was before, so it's really good product. So as you see, there is a bump out it was get from inside, and this tool is my favorite because you can use a lot of different attachments by just sticking like that slowly. As you can see, it's imperfection and paint, but no dent anymore.